How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another FIFA 17 pack opening. Basically, there are a mad ton of amazing players this week. We've got... Yes, alright. We've got this beastly team of the week. I mean, look at this. What we got? 90, Sergio Ramos. Diego Costa, okay. Sanchez. We've got bloody Royce in there. I thought that was Schürrle. We've got 9 Golan. We've got Hamsik. We've got Benteke. And then we've got, of course, where are they? There they are. We have got these bad boys. Now, oh my holy God. Just look at these cards, guys. What the hell? We've got Messi. What stats has he got? So if I'm looking around here because my mic's in the way. 90, 90, 90. Basically, it's insane, okay? So, I'm going to do the first thing that I've ever done, and that is buy... Oh, what? There was a 100k pack sitting right there. Oh, okay. Well, we better crack on and open these 25k packs. Here's the first one. Please be... I don't actually know why I do them. Why do I do these? Who's this? Biglia. Brilliant. I don't know why. I'm planning to get my first walkout in this. No walkout. Whoa! Whoa! Oh. Oh, for God's sake. Really? Really? We got one, but it is him. How much do you sell for? Oh, hello. I see how it is here. I see how it is, guys. You know, we get a BC player, and of course, he's bloody discard value. We'll put him up for that. What else have we got? Oh. Please. Big Blair. Big Blair? Big Flair. Who's this? Mika Richards. Jagielka. Alright, Phil. Okay. Tom? If you're watching. Come on, give me a beast. Oh, for God's sake. Now that we've got that one big player, it's Bonaventura. Bona is what I have. I swear he sells for a bit, doesn't he? Well, he does. I was right. We'll list him up. Sell him for that. Come on. Give me another beast, please. Please, please, please. Big Flair. No! Who's this tit? Oh. Is it Van Dijk? No, he played... Oh, De Vrij. We got a lesbian. What the hell is that nationality? Estonia. I've never ever seen that flag. Give me a Big Flair. Oh, suck my dick. Who's this? Casillas. Yeah, he would have been great back in FIFA 13. Oh my God. Pineapple head to the extreme. What is that hair? What actually is that hair? I'm sorry. Look at it. Just look. Jesus. Please, 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 please. Oh, suck my nuts. Mozzarella. For God's sake. He's actually 83 rated, but still. Does he sell for a bit? No, he sells for absolute jack poo. Romario. Really? The troll legend. Or ex-legend. Oh my... Who's this? Who's this pile of wank? Miranti. Right, this is the last 25k pack. Okay. And it ain't a walkout because it hasn't froze. And it ain't a Big Flair because... No. Not... Oh. Morgan. Morgan Schneiderlin. Morgan... Oh, a city. You know what? Just for you guys, just for you guys, I'm going to actually spend coins. Okay? Please freeze. No, it's not a walkout. What are these packs? Oh. 27 pace. How much did he go for? Absolute frippances as well. I'm going to discard this one. Yep, I ain't looking. I ain't looking. Who are we going to get? As you can see, it's probably absolute nothing. Right, go to the end. Come back along. Up. That it gone? That is it gone. Who did we get? No, I don't think we got anything good. So that is the end of that video, guys. Short, quick, snappy, chappy, packs of crap, basically, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.